It's 11:54 at night. I just got home from my first comedy show. So we're eating Raisin Canes. I may never get proposed to, but this is the same thing. I would have the same reaction. If you propose to me, now show me a basket of chicken fingers. Your dick's getting sucked tonight. No, don't show up to my house with just chicken fingers and expect me to chupa tu pito. Maybe, but yeah, this is what I get. I don't get coleslaw because I don't like anything wet and cold and slobbery in my mouth. But what I do like, I fuck up this bread. I love good bread, and this is like, that's so good. Yeah, I'm so happy. Is Raising Cane's from Texas? I want to go to Texas soon. I love Texas. I went to Texas one time. I landed in Houston. My Airbnb was in like Katy or like Cyrus. And we drove down to Port Aransas. Oh. Oh. So good. Chicken tenders are love. The Raisin Cane sauce is my favorite part of all this. I actually ordered more. This is the best day ever! They gave me extra chicken fingers. I'm gonna check my receipt. No, they just gave me extra chicken fingers. God bless you, the people at Chick-fil-A, Raising Cane's tonight. But also, God bless you, the people at Chick-fil-A. Except, I like gay people. I love everybody. I'm a mom, you know, so it's different for me. The way I see the world after being a mother is that we're all somebody's kids. What's even grosser is we're all just somebody's pet nut that just, like, grew older and got a frontal lobe. Ugh.